yeah, now let's get this head wrap done. So in this video I'll be showing you like 3 or 4 styles with this material. So get ready and let's do this. You need your office pin, you need rubber band. So you fold it as seen in this video and make your pleat down like that. Then you need your elastic band to grab it. Once you are done with one part, you're going to make another one that make 2 fans. So once you have achieved 2 fans like that, the next thing is we are going to be placing it on your head. Can we say? So you're going to stretch it and place it on your head like this. So you have 2 fans splitted. So you're going to take the excess backward like this, and you're going to close it up at the back, and the longer parts that you have left, then you make a twist with it and you're taking it round to the top, and the excess you're going to dip it at the back. This is sego material and it's very lengthy, so if you have a very long material you can try it. So the fan, you come back to it and you stretch it together at the top and pin it together, and you take the angles down and pin them down. Use your hand to adjust it, so it's very easy to do. So close the middle part, close it, and here is the outcome for the first style. You can see how simple it is. So that's it. Let me show you another one. You can just remove that and press it down if you don't like something high. So you reduce it by pressing it down at the center and you grab it with office pen. So that's the second style. Yeah, so I'll be showing you another one now, which is going to be the third style. So you can still loosen that one up. So you're going to move it pata pata like that. So you use it to make like a rolls, okay, and you use your face pin to tack it. Okay, adjust it well. So the other part, you just press it down to meet it and grab it with your face pin together, and you have another style. So that's the third one. I'll be going for the last one, which is going to be the fourth one now. Guys, don't forget to like, share this video, share, and leave your comments. Okay, if you haven't joined this community, it is follow button, follow for more head wrap tutorials. So I just decided to go for another bow like this, another rose I mean, so you can join it together with your office pin and you are good to go. So these are the 4 styles I came to show you. You can see how simple they are. So using your fan method, and this is sego material, which means you can use sego or any other material. Guys, try it and tell me in the comment section what you